Every choice that we make will impact something. It will impact our health, it can impact our soils, the food that we eat, what we drink, what we breathe in, because pollution out there does not just stay out there. It has to go somewhere.
That is the outlook of an OECS Clean Ocean champion.
My thinking is that we are all connected. Every choice that we make, even if we believe that we make choices in isolation, and especially in our small St. Lucian community and Caribbean community, we are all connected.
OECS Clean Ocean champions live their commitment to responsible waste management practices.
I'm Snaliah Mahal, founder and owner of 7Ks, Zero Waste Business. And I am also a teacher, secondary school teacher, and a long-serving member of the Caribbean Youth Environment Network.
7K stands for Complete Catharsis, Snaliah's zero waste business, which promotes the 4Rs principle: reduce, reuse, recycle.
After completing my master's, I wanted to do something that would have occupied my time because I wasn't working at the time. And I was looking for something that would marry my love for the environment and my love for art and craft. So I started something called upcycling, basically using discarded material, glass, coconut shells, cardboard, to do something, different. So that is where the whole idea of 7Ks came from. That's where I started off, and I later branched out into offering persons sustainable alternatives to everyday products like toothbrushes, reusable items, looking at the whole idea of zero waste.
Snaliah's approach to product packaging helps to reduce pollution from turf to surf.
I make some of my own products, personal care items, for example, body butters and scrubs, deodorant. So they're all packaged in glass bottles. I also try to encourage customers, if they would like to find a secondary purpose for their jar, they can use it for candles. There is also laundry detergent that is biodegradable. The packaging is biodegradable and compostable. There is also food wrap that is beeswax. It's called beeswax wrap. That is, after use, you can compost it. So it's not plastic. You're not using cling wrap. You're not using foil.
7K is very niche in focus and size, but it's very big in its advocacy.
Whatever choice you make in your consumption of plastic will have an impact on somebody, on someone, on yourself later down the line. So if there's a way for you to reduce the amount of plastic that you use, or even find alternative uses for them, and not for it so that it won't go directly into our landfills, then you take that opportunity to make the choice, make the decision to do something else.